Hey, I'm Chris Burton from Gulfport, Mississippi. I've always had an interest in drones, and now that I'm retiring, I think this would be just a great opportunity to do something enjoyable and profitable. There's a lot of information in the seminar, but don't worry about that because it's presented in a great format, and you have chat available with your fellow students as well as Damon and Diego. And they also have a really great staff if you have any technical problems or anything like that. Um, if you're on the fence, I would encourage you to go through the course. Like I said, it contains tons of information on the industry, and it's a fun course and it's really fascinating. A valuable lesson that I've learned so far is hotspots. Um, you'll have to take the course to find out exactly what that is. And how would I describe Damon and Diego? They're go-getting successful individuals that you want to associate with. So all in all, it's good value, good time, a lot of good information. I'd highly encourage you to give it a try.